Hi, I'm Pete. Today we're going to learn how to install a new oil gun on a boiler. The first step on repairing a boiler is to turn the power off. The second step is to make sure that your oil lines are shut. I just removed the oil valve, so now I know it's fully closed. Now I take my adjustable and I loosen up my oil lines. That's step 2. The third step now is to disconnect the electric. We take our screwdriver, loosen our screws, remove our control, expose the wires. As you see, there's stake-ons and a whole bunch of wires. As long as the power is off, you will not get hurt. As we open up our control, we trace out the wires from the power coming in through this silver line right here. We have a ground, which is green. We have a neutral, which is always white. And your hot leg, which is the 110 line, which is always black. Here we have the black line, which is set up as L1. We pull the wire off the terminal. We look for the line of L2, which is the ground, which is also disconnected. We remove it. Always disconnect the ground. Take our connector, loosen it up, the lock nut, pull the wires through the lock nut. Your power is disconnected. Step 4 would be to make sure that your control is back on the control box so it doesn't fall or break. Next step, take your adjustable, and now we're going to remove the gun. Loosen up these nuts. Hold up, lift up, and it should just slide right out. And this is the gun itself. This is the inside of a chamber where the fire produces the heat, and it's an insulated wrap. This is the chamber itself. It's filled with black fire protective wall, and it's clean, burning clean. The new gun will be installed now. Right now I'm refastening all the hardware, which is the nuts and bolts and the washers, so the gun is staying secure. I'm going to reinstall the electric now. Remove the control. This is the electric lines. Put your lock nut back on. Slip the wires through. I'm going to be reconnecting the neutrals, which is the white wires. The neutral is always a white wire. That has to be connected. As you see, all the whites are connected. All neutrals have to be connected together. Always connect the ground whenever it's possible. Okay, now I'm going to connect the hot leg, which is the blue. Usually it should be a black. Reconnect your hot leg to L1, to your power leg coming in. Put the wire nut back on. All the wiring is nice and tight. Place it back in. Retighten up your control to the box. Now I'm going to reconnect the oil lines. Take your pipe dope, go across the threads slightly. We don't want any oil leaks or air bounds. Connect oil line back into the pump, fuel pump, until it's nice and tight. Reconnect my copper line, and you go gentle because this is brass. Brass is a soft metal, and you could strip the threads and have a problem, like an oil leak. Reconnect the handle to open up the valve. As you see, this valve handle and the stem comes up, allowing the oil to flow. Also inside this handle is a fusible link. It melts and then snaps the valve shut, so there will be no fire. Now we're ready to turn the boiler back on. For more information on learning and servicing heating equipment, visit electricaltrainingcenter.edu or supplyhouse.com.